Max News.
Welcome to Max News. I'm your host, Maxwell Bach, and today we're going to be studying genetics. Let's head over to Anchor. Jordan,
Thanks, Max. Genetics is one big topic to cover in one Max News. But anyway, let's see how it all started.
Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics, was born in 1822 in Austria. Gregor Mendel was a monk, and during his years at the monastery, he planted peas. He noticed that his peas always came out the same way, so he conducted many experiments to find out why this was. During Mendel's first experiments, he cross-pollinated plants. The meaning of cross-pollination is to take the anthers of one flower and put it onto the stigma of another. Here, he noticed that the plants were purple despite that both parents were both purple and white. So, he conducted a study of four offsprings had purple instead of white. During Mendel's second experiments, he cross-pollinated the plant of the offspring, which had both purple and white genes but became purple, with a purebred purple plant. Mendel noticed that 3/4 of his offspring were purple, despite the fact that one was hybrid, meaning purple and white genes, and one was purebred. This means that the first generation had 100% of being purple, while the second one had 3/4 chance of being purple with 1/4 being white. Now let's head over to Nick Selders.
Thanks, Jordan, whatever your name is. Genes. Genes are a set of instructions for an inherited trait. Genes are given to the offspring, which have one from each parent. Alleles. Alleles are one of the alternative forms of a gene that governs a characteristic such as hair. It's passed down from each parent in the chromosomes and has traits. A phenotype is an organism's appearance or look, like in Mendel's peas, purple, green, or white. Genotype is the entire genetic makeup of an organism, also the combination of genes for one or more specific traits. Both are inherited alleles, dominant, recessive. A Punnett square is used to organize all the possible combinations of offspring from a particular parent. For instance, capital P, lowercase p, capital P, lowercase p, or lowercase p, lowercase p. Probability is the likelihood that a possible future event will occur in any given instance of the event. Meiosis is the copying process that produces cells with half the usual number of chromosomes. There are 8 steps of meiosis.
A mutation is a defect within an organism that has too few chromosomes. Mutations are prominent in inbred offspring.
Sex chromosomes carry genes that determine sex. In humans, females have 2 X chromosomes, but human males have 1 X and 1 Y. The gender of the species depends on the sex chromosomes of the male, because if it's X, it's a female, and if it's Y, it's a male. Selective breeding, the human practice of breeding animals or plants that have certain desired traits. For instance, tomatoes. Tomatoes, some are juicy and plump, but others have the ability to withstand pests. Signing off, this is Jordan Attaboye.
This is Nick.
And this is Max, signing off. Good night, everybody.
From NBC News World Headquarters in New York,